भीती वाटली तरी चालते.
Yes, sir.
या क्राऊड समोर या रोडवर इंग्लिश मध्ये भाषण द्यायचं. ओके,
Yes, sir.
घाबरायचं नाही.
Yes.
हा.
Good evening, everyone. Respected principal, sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Tushar Suraj Rathod. I study in 6th standard. My school name is MKT School. Today, I give the speech on Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. We got freedom on 15 August 1947. And our Independence Day is our national festival. Independence Day is celebrated in school, college, forest, police station and hospitals and many more. And our soldier stand the border, and our soldier take bullet their church 24/7. And our freedom fighter name are Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jhansi Ki Rani, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and many more. And I love my country so much. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.